Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up WalletConnect v2 for cross-platform connections, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have WalletConnect v2 installed in your development environment. Open your code editor of choice and create a new project. Navigate to your terminal and install the required WalletConnect v2 package using npm or yarn. Once installation is complete, import the WalletConnect library into your project. Create a configuration object to manage connection parameters. Define the bridge URL which will be used by WalletConnect. Specify the chain ID to identify the blockchain network. Next, instantiate the WalletConnect client using the configuration object. Add a method to connect to the wallet by calling the createSession function. Monitor for an event indicating a successful connection. When connected, retrieve the client's accounts and handle them as needed. Implement a disconnect function to properly close the session when the user opts out. Ensure that you handle wallet connection errors appropriately. For cross-platform compatibility, test the connection on multiple devices. Use appropriate QR codes for mobile wallet connections. Verify that your application can send and receive messages between platforms. Finally, review your code for best practices and ensure everything functions as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.